Hello, my people in estate. Welcome back. I just want to let you guys know that some properties have been sold out, and I noticed some panic from some of my team members because they thought that all the properties are sold out. But no, we still have more properties for you guys to purchase a fraction of, right? But I just wanted to clear the air here to let you guys know that the properties that have been sold, okay, those ones you can no longer purchase them. Okay, you can no longer go in and get a fraction of those properties. Okay, but there are other properties that you can actually get as well within this platform. So let me quickly give you a summary of all the properties that we have here. With this screenshot, it's easier for me to do screenshots to explain this to you guys. So the first property there is the Miami apartment. That one is still available. The ones that I circled sold out, those are the ones that have been sold out. So we have about 4 properties so far that is sold out. These ones you cannot go back in and say you want to purchase a piece of it or a fraction of it. But the Miami apartment, the lake house, the desert villa, the villa mao, the land plots, development and business development, these ones you can actually purchase them. All right, you can purchase a fraction of them. So if you are looking to purchase fractions of these ones that are not sold out, you are more than welcome to do so. But just to make it a bit more clearer for you guys, I decided to take a bigger screenshot for the properties that has been sold out. So this is one of them. The minimum to start this one initially was $117, but this one is now sold out, right? And this one was $480. This one is called the house, but again it's also sold out. That one is gone, this one is gone, and then the commerce, this one as well is sold out. This one is one of the ones that you will purchase that will put you into the bracket of buyer level 3. Okay, so this is the last property for buyer level 2. Once you purchase this property at this minimum, this will now take you and open up the next buyer level. But this one is sold out. Okay, but don't worry, they are having new properties added that will replace this qualifying property that will make you to go up to buyer level 2. So this one as well, the business is sold out as well. Of course, this is the $24,590. This, of course, is going to take you to buyer level 3. So this is the last one on buyer level 2 that will qualify you. If you purchase this one, that will take you to buyer level 3. So all these 4 properties so far, they are all sold out. So you can no longer go back in and say you want to purchase that. So that's the message I am trying to pass out to you guys just now. But for example, if I go back into my back office here and click on the apartment Miami, you will notice that this one is still available. And then if I go to this apartment now, this is one of the ones that I just showed you the screenshot. And then the lake house is still available as well. And if you go down to the house, this one is sold out. As I said before, the desert villa is available. So, and the one next to desert villa and the one next to that as well, they are still all available, right? So guys, this is happening live in estate. We are still earning money on a daily basis from the rentals of the fractional real estate that we have purchased. Okay, now remember, all of this real estate that I've shown you, that are all tokenized. What does that mean? It means we are able to come in, register, complete our KYC, deposit a fraction of the minimum of the particular property that you are looking to purchase, and then get a piece of it, and then you get money paid into your back office here every 24 hours, excluding Saturdays and Sundays, right? So that's what we are doing. It's 100% passive. You do not have to refer or recruit anybody to earn the money that I am talking about. However, estate is got a program that is called real estate agents that you can join and register and do your application for that. and then you will now become an agent. Once you become an agent, you will now have the ability to get all the training that you need. And then when you close a deal, okay, when somebody that you are going to bring in, when the person purchases a fraction of any property, that means you have closed that deal. You will get paid commission as well, right? Again, if you are looking to become an agent to earn extra money, okay, on top of the original deposit that you have made to purchase a fraction of your property, if you come right here, you will see where it says become an agent. Okay, so if you click on it to become an agent, that will not allow you to pay your agent subscription fee of $9 every month, or you paid $90 for 12 months. Okay, that's a discount if you pay for 12 months. And then you will now have your referral link for you to be able to start, recruiting people and earn extra money. Okay, so that is extra money for people that are interested in earning extra money. Otherwise, it is not mandatory, because if you are just going to be a buyer, okay, without becoming an agent, you are still going to earn money from the properties that you have purchased. Okay, so that's how it works here, guys. I just thought I should let you guys know that these properties are sold out, since some of you are coming back to me panicking that you don't have any more property to purchase, but there are other properties that you can purchase. Okay, so take a look at the back office if you have registered, or if you are already in estate and you are looking to increase your portfolio. You are more than welcome to go back to your back office and take a look at the properties that are still available. All right, so that's everything that I have to say to you guys in this video. I just want to say thank you guys, and be mindful of those properties that has been sold out. Usually there is ample enough notice to everybody to say that these properties are going to be sold out. So if you have that money, then you can go in and purchase a fraction of it. But if you couldn't make it to purchase a fraction of that property, don't worry, there are other properties within the list of all the properties that we have in estate for you guys to purchase a fraction of. Okay, so if you are looking to earn between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis by just owning a fractional real estate, you are more than welcome to use the link below this video description to sign up, complete your KYC, and then deposit and use the money that you have deposited to purchase your fraction of the property that you are looking to purchase. All right, the back office has a profit calculator that can easily show you how much money you are going to earn based on how much money you are going to use to purchase a fraction of that property. So once more, thank you for watching my videos, and I want to say that this platform has been a blessing to me and to so many people that are in estate. So if you want to be blessed, you know what to do. Okay, the link to do so is below this video description. Otherwise, thank you and God bless.